Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up a work profile on your Android device. But before we dive in, be sure to check out our latest offer in the description below. Now, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your device's settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Google and Accounts or Accounts and Sync. For older Android models, you need to head into Accounts and Sync, and at the bottom, you'd click Add Account and select Google. But for the most recent versions of Android, we'll do things a little differently. Instead of looking for Accounts and Sync, go ahead and tap on the Google option. Scroll down a little, and you should see a section that says Set Up and Restore. Tap on that and then click on Set Up Work Profile. Once you do that, a screen will appear with some info about setting up the work profile. Click Next to proceed. At this point, the system will begin downloading the necessary files. Just wait for it to finish. Next, the device will ask for permissions to access the camera to take photos or record videos. Go ahead and tap Allow to grant permission. Afterward, you'll need to scan the code provided by your IT administrator to set up the work profile. If you don't have a code to scan or prefer not to use the camera, you can manually enter the code instead. Just tap Enter Code manually, input the code, and you're all set. And that's it. You've now successfully set up your work profile on Android. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe using the link in the description. See you in the next video.